the integers and addition and subtraction of the integers. Just to go through the concept of integers. What is the definition of integer? Whole number with negative number. Is called the integer. It is denoted by z. It is denoted by z. That is a form of z is equal to such that set of all the elements 0, 1, 2, all the whole numbers in right side and all the negative numbers in the left hand side. That is a form of an integer. And then how do you add and subtract the integers? Addition of integers. And subtraction of integers. Some rules follow in addition and subtraction, both having the same procedure. Two positive numbers added, we get the positive value. Two negative signs are added and put the same sign. Here both having the add and put the same sign. Different signs will come. For example, plus, minus or minus plus. In this place, subtract and put the greater number sign. That's it. That is the concept of addition of integer. Subtraction of integers, the same methodology. Subtraction of integers, see some examples. Minus 7 minus 8 is equal to both having the same sign, the same procedure. Add and put the same sign. And minus 7 minus another one of the negative value is given. In this place, minus into minus plus. So, minus 7 plus 8. The answer is here two different signs. Two different signs will come. What we do? Subtract and put the greater number sign. Subtract 1. Greater number sign also positive. So, need not in this place put the plus symbol. Okay. And then 7 minus 11. Here one positive value. Here also one positive value, but the subtraction operation is subtraction is given. What we do? So, minus consider to the value of 11. So, as usual, different signs will come. What we do? Subtract and put the greater number sign. So, subtract. So, 11 minus 7 is 3. So, greater number sign is negative. So, in this place should put the negative sign. I hope you all understand the concept of addition and subtraction of integers. See the revision exercise. First question, arrange the following integers in ascending order. Already you learned how to write, right? Ascending order and descending order. Let us we have considered the first option A, 7 minus 5, 1 minus 12, 0, 6 minus 3. How do you write in the ascending order? The number can be written from the smallest number to largest number. Here, which is the smallest number in this place? So, integers are given. So very smallest number is minus 12, and next smallest integer is minus 5, and next one minus 3, and then 0. The next one of the smallest value is 1. Next one is 6, 7. This is a ascending order of the given integers. And next problem is homework. And second one, arrange the following integer in descending order. Here also we have considered the option A. The given integers are minus 10, minus 15, 7, 3, minus 9, 4. Descending order. So which one is smallest? Descending order, write in the greatest value. Here consider the where is the greatest? Here 7. 7 is the greatest value. Next one of the greatest value was 4, and next one is 3, and next, which is the greatest value? First greatest value is minus 9, and next one of them is minus 10, and next one minus 15. This is a descending order for the given numbers. And third one, next one of the B option is homework. And third one, write the absolute value of the following. Already you know that the absolute values. So first option A, minus 6, minus 3. So both having the same sign. So add and put the same sign. Minus 9. So modulus of minus 9, we can return the positive value of 9. We can write the positive value of 9. And fourth, third B, modulus of 0 minus 12. So 0 minus 12 value is minus 12. So modulus of minus 12 is written by plus 12. Okay. And then fourth one, which temperature is higher? Already you know all the positive values are as very greatest value compared with the negative value. So first option A, minus 7 degrees Celsius or 7 degrees Celsius. The answer is 7 degrees Celsius. And second one B, the greatest value is higher temperature only asking. So here consider the higher value is 12 degrees Celsius. And then compare with C, 0 degrees Celsius or minus 30 degrees Celsius. Which is greatest one? 0 degrees Celsius. Compare with 0 and negative numbers, 0 is the greatest value. Okay. And D is a homework for you. And then fifth one of the problem. Add the following. So option 1, A, 0 plus minus 4. Add what we get? Minus 4. Two different signs are there. So subtract, we get the answer is also minus 4. Any number added with 0, we get the same number. Okay. Any number added with 0, we get the same number. So we get the same number as minus 4. And B, minus 2 plus minus 13. Here both signs are same. So add and put the same sign. Add 2 plus 13 is 15. The same sign as minus. Okay. I hope you are understand the addition of integers. So remaining two problems are homework. And sixth one, subtraction of the following. So 0 minus minus 7. Already told you in this place we have used the multiplication operation. So minus into minus plus. So answer is plus 7. Here of means product. Of means product. So minus into minus plus. And B 11 minus 14. Two positive values in between of operation is negative, that is a subtraction. So simply subtract and put the greater number sign. Here of means multiplication of plus into minus, minus, plus into minus, minus. So subtract the values. 14 minus 11, 3. The greatest number value is minus. So minus 3 is the answer. Okay. And C minus 19 minus 7. So minus 19 minus into minus plus 7. Here two different signs will come. What we do? Subtract and put the greater number sign. Subtract 19 minus 7 is 12. So greater number sign is minus. And D plus 29 is equal to minus 25. Minus into plus minus. So minus 25 minus 29. Both having the same sign. So what we do? Add and put the same sign. So add 25. So 9 plus 5. 14. So 54. So both having the same sign. Put the same sign. So minus 54 is the answer for the D1. I hope you all understand the concept of addition, subtraction and revision exercise fully. Any doubt, ask to me. Now the new concept of multiplication of integers. Multiplication of integers and division of integers. Let us see the first concept. Multiplication of integers. Here follow some rules. Two positive values are multiplied. Multiplication rule. Two positive values are multiplied, we get the positive value. One positive and one negative numbers will be multiplied, we get negative value. One negative, one positive value will be multiplied, we get the negative value. Two negative values are multiplied, we get the positive value. That is the rule for the multiplication of integer. Plus 3 into plus 6 is equal to both having the positive value. First put the sign, after you will write the value of the product. So plus into plus, plus 3 6 are 18. Okay, and next one positive value, one negative value is given. One positive value, one negative value is given. What we do? Positive into negative, multiplication of positive into negative is negative. So first write the sign, after multiply the product of the number 3 6 are 18, and then minus 3 into plus 6 is equal to minus into plus, also the product of minus into plus minus. So 3 6 are 18. 3 6 are 18. And final one, minus 3 into minus 6. Here both having the negative value. The product of two negative value is positive. So plus, minus into minus plus, 3 6 are 18. I hope you all understand, because I have used the same number for all the rules. So you can easy to understand the concept of multiplication of integer. Is it? So well thorough in this rule. Positive into positive, we get the positive value. Positive into any positive, any two different signs will come, the negative value of the result. Result is right in the negative value, and then minus into minus plus. That's all. I hope you all understand the concept of multiplication of integer. And now move to the division of integer. Division of integer. Here also the same rules are followed. So positive value divided by positive value, we get the positive value, and then positive value divided by negative value, we get the negative value, and negative value divided by positive value also we get the negative value. Two negative values are divided, we get the positive. That is the rule for the division of integers. Division of integers. Now see one of the example for division of integers. For example, three divided by 9. Both are positive values. So 3 divided by 9, what we get? 1 by 2. 1 by 2. I hope you all understand the rule. If you need, write expandly. Okay. And next one, plus 3 divided minus 9. So plus 3 divided by minus 9 is equal to, it's cancelled in 3 table. So 1 by minus 2. 1 by minus 2 also considered to minus 1 by 2. Both are same. Both are same. Both same. And next, minus 3 divided by plus 9 is equal to minus 3 by 9 is equal to minus 1 by 2. And next one, two negative values. Minus 3 divided by minus 9. So minus 3 divided by minus 9. So both term will be cancelled. Minus minus will be cancelled. So 3 is cancelled. We get the positive value. Now you have easy to understand the concept of division of integers. Compare the rules also. So two positive values, we get the answer also positive. Different signs use it, we get the negative values. Here also different signs we have used it, we get the different sign. So minus minus, division of 2, minus operation, we get the positive value. I hope you all understand the concept of multiplication of integer and division of integer. I hope you all understand. If you any doubt, ask to me, I will clear to you all. Thank you, students.